Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Ramadan is a holy month observed by Muslims all around the world. It is a month of fasting where Muslims abstain from food and water from sunrise to sunset. While fasting is an act of worship, it also has several health benefits that are often overlooked. In this video, we will be discussing 6 secret health benefits of fasting during Ramadan. The first health benefit of fasting is improved mental health. Fasting has been found to reduce stress and anxiety levels, as well as improve brain function. When we fast, our bodies produce more of a hormone called brain drive neurotrophic factor or BDNF, which has been linked to the growth of new brain cells and the prevention of depression and anxiety. The second health benefit of fasting is increased physical performance. Fasting can lead to an increase in energy levels as the body switches to burning stored fat for fuel. This can result in improved athletic performance and increased stamina. The third health benefit of fasting is improved digestion. Fasting gives the digestive system a break, allowing it to rest and heal. This can lead to improved digestion and a reduction in digestive problems such as bloating and constipation. The fourth health benefit of fasting is improved blood sugar control. Fasting has been found to improve insulin sensitivity, which can lead to better blood sugar control and reduce risk of type 2 diabetes. The fifth health benefit of fasting is improved hydration. While it may seem counterintuitive, fasting can actually improve hydration levels in the body. When we fast, our bodies conserve water and become more efficient at using it, leading to improved hydration. The sixth health benefit of fasting is improved sleep. Fasting has been found to improve the quality of sleep, as well as reduce the risk of sleep-related disorders such as sleep apnea. So there you have it, 6 secret health benefits of fasting during Ramadan. Fasting not only spiritual benefits, but it can also improve your mental and physical health. If you are considering fast during Ramadan, be sure to consult with your doctor first to ensure it is safe for you to do so. Thank you for watching and Ramadan Mubarak. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already done. So thanks for watching and see you next time.